Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Safety First Ready to Install Everywhere Baby Gate, a versatile and convenient solution for keeping your little ones and pets safe. This multi-use baby gate features a one-hand operation, allowing adults to easily open the hardware-mounted walk-through gate, which is adjustable to fit openings ranging from 29 to 42 inches wide, making it ideal for doorways, hallways, and stairs. Installation is a breeze, as the gate comes fully assembled and requires no drywall anchors, just a flat mounting surface at least 3.5 inches wide and a screwdriver. Its no threshold, no trip design adds an extra layer of safety, especially when mounted at the top of a staircase, ensuring peace of mind as you move about your home. The hardware mount ensures the gate closes with just a push, providing a seamless experience as you go about your day. Standing at 30 inches high, this gate is perfect for children aged 6 to 24 months and is also great for keeping pets contained. Whether you're using it as an indoor dog gate or a walk-through child gate, the Safety First Ready to Install Everywhere Baby Gate is designed to make your home safer and more convenient. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.